Okay, next we'll go with the adiabatic process. Last one is adiabatic process. Only the difference is for the polytropic process we have written P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Here in this case you write gamma minus 1. What is gamma? Adiabatic index. Gamma is nothing but Cp by Cv. Okay, specific heat at constant pressure, specific heat at constant volume. So this is, if you are calculating Cp by Cv, then you can say it as a adiabatic index. Okay, so adiabatic process means Pv power gamma is equal to constant. So what is the governing equation for polytropic process? Pv power n is equal to constant. Okay, only the difference is for polytropic it is n, for adiabatic process it is gamma. Gamma is nothing but adiabatic index, n is nothing but polytropic index. Index, that means it is a number. Okay, so these are the governing equations for polytropic and adiabatic process. Next we'll go with the, so these are the processes, non-flow processes. Non-flow means if you are calculating work done for a closed system. So for a closed system, what is closed system? Only the energy can transfer. No mass transfer is there. That you can call it as a closed system. In a closed system, if you want to calculate work done, then that work done is a non-flow process, non-flow work. Okay, non-flow. We are calculating work for non-flow process. Non-flow means it is not flowing. That means mass is not flowing. If the mass is not flowing, what you can say? It is a closed system. For a closed system, if you want to calculate work done, what is the formula? What is the formula? PdV. What is PdV? Work done for the closed system or work done for a non-flow process. Non-flow process and closed system both are same. Okay. So how many types are there? Constant pressure process, constant volume process, constant temperature process, constant, you can say polytropic process, adiabatic process. Clear now? How many are there total? One by one I will ask you again. Clear now everyone? Any doubt in this? Okay. So I will ask you one by one. Pranay? Pranay, are you there?